Class 9, Chapter 13, Surface Areas and Volumes, Module 3. Objectives. In this module, you will learn about curved surface area and total surface area of cylinder. Children, you know about cylinder. How many faces for a cylinder? Yes, there are three faces for a cylinder. One is a curved surface and the top portion and also the bottom portion. Now the curved surface area of the cylinder is the first one equation. The equation is 2 pi r into h. Now what is 2 pi r? The circumference of the base. So base is in the shape of a cylinder. Okay, so the circumference of the base is 2 pi r into h, which is what? Curved surface area of the cylinder. Now the total surface area of the cylinder. So total surface area means the curved surface area plus top area plus bottom area. So top is in the shape of a cylinder. Its area is what? Pi r square. And bottom is also cylinder, circle. So what is the equation? Pi r square. So 2 pi r h is the curved portion plus top pi r square plus bottom pi r square. That is 2 pi r square. Now take 2 pi r as a common factor. Then remaining what? H plus r. So the total surface area of the cylinder is equal to 2 pi r into h plus r. Now the first question. The curved surface area of a right circular cylinder of height 14 cm is 88 cm square. Find the diameter of the base of the cylinder. Now listen carefully. What is the condition given here? The height of the cylinder is 14 cm. Next one is what? The curved surface area is 88 cm square. So we can take the diameter of the cylinder be d. Now what is the equation of curved surface area? 2 pi r h, which is equal to what? 88 cm square given. Now twice of the radius is what? The diameter. So we can change that equation as pi into d into h is equal to 88 cm square. Now what is the value of pi? Yes, 22 by 7 into d into 14 is equal to what? 88 cm square. Now d is equal to 88 into 7 by 22 into 40. Now when you cancel 88 and 22 4 times, 7 and 14 2 times, after that 4 by 2 is equal to 2 centimeter is the diameter of the cylinder. So at last we can write this: the diameter of the base of the cylinder is equal to what? 2 centimeter. Clear? Now the second question. It is required to make a closed cylindrical tank of height 1 meter and base diameter 140 centimeter from a metal sheet. How many square meters of the metal sheet are required for the same? Now listen carefully. Here we want to make a closed cylindrical tank. If it is a closed cylindrical tank, we need to consider which equation? Yes, total surface area. The equation is what? 2 pi r into h plus r. Now what are the conditions given here? The base diameter is 140 centimeter and also height is given what? 1 meter. So if the base diameter 140 centimeter, the radius is what? 140 by 2. Okay, that is 70 centimeter. Now you need to change 70 centimeter into meter. So we divide 70 centimeter by 100, which is equal to 0.7 meter. Now the next, metal sheet required to make a closed cylindrical tank, which is the total surface area. The equation is what? 2 pi r into h plus r. Now substitute all the values. 2 into pi value 22 by 7 into radius 0.7 into h plus r 1 plus 0.7. Now 2 into 22 is what? 44. So 0.7 by 7 is what? 0.1. So 44 into 0.1 is what? 4.4 into 1 plus 0.7 is what? 1.7. Now the product is what? 7.48 meters square, which is what? The square sheet, the metal sheet area to make this closed cylindrical tank. Okay. Now the next question. A metal pipe is 77 centimeter long. The inner diameter of the cross section is 4 centimeter. The outer diameter being 4.4 centimeter. Find its inner curved surface area, first one, outer curved surface area, second one, then total surface area, the third one. So listen carefully, this one is a pipe. Okay, now the first one, inner curved surface area, we need to find out. Now according to the question, the inner diameter is what? 4 centimeter. So inner radius of the pipe is what? Inner diameter by 2, which is equal to what? 4 by 2, 2 centimeter. Now the height is what? 77 centimeter. Now the inner curved surface area is 2 pi into r1h. So inner curved surface area, inner radius we can consider as what? r1. So 2 pi into r1 into h, which is equal to what? 968 centimeter square. Now same as so we need to find out outer curved surface area. So outer diameter is given what? 4.4 centimeter. So outer radius is what? 4.4 divided by 2, which is equal to 2.2. Now height is what? 77 centimeter. Now outer curved surface area, equation 1, 2 pi r2 into h. Substitute 2 into pi 22 by 7 into r is what? 2.2 into 77. Now multiply it. Okay, 7 and 77 cancel, 11. Now when you multiply it, 1064.8 centimeter square is what? Outer curved surface area. Now the next one is what? Total surface area. So total surface area means what? Inner surface area plus outer surface area plus, listen carefully, the top and bottom portion is there. So top portion is in the shape of a circle, but there is a slight change there. It is a pipe. So the middle portion is hollow portion, and the top portion is, it have a thickness also, just like the top of a well. Okay, so ring portion is there. Now we have one equation. So listen carefully, the area of the base is equal to area of the circle with radius 2.2 centimeter minus area of the circle with radius 2 centimeter. That is, since it is a ring portion, it has a thickness. So the equation become pi into r2 square minus pi into r1 square. So take pi as a common, into r2 is what? 2.2 square minus 2 square. That is 22 by 7 into 4.84 minus 4, which is equal to what? 0.84 into 22 by 7. At last, area of that base is equal to 2.74. So same type of area what? Top portion also, base area and top area is same. Now we need to find out total surface area, that is inner CSA plus outer CSA plus 2 into area of the base, same one, top and bottom. That is 968 plus 1064.8 plus 2 into 2.74. Now at last what we get? 2038.56 centimeter square is what? The total surface area. Clear? Now the next one, the diameter of a roller is 88 centimeter and its length is what? 120 centimeter. It takes 500 complete revolutions to move once over to level a playground. Find the area of the playground in meters square. Now listen carefully. We know the cricket stadium, football stadium, etc. So how to level that playground using a roller? It is in the shape of a cylinder. Okay. So here what are the conditions given? The diameter of the roller is 84. So the radius of the roller is what? 84 by 2 is equal to 42 centimeter. And the length, which is the height, is given what? 120 centimeter. Now area of the playground leveled in taking one complete revolution. That is what the curved portion only needed. Okay, no need of that top and bottom. Only for leveling the ground we need to consider what? The curved portion. The equation 2 pi into r into h. So substitute all the values. Then what is 31,680 centimeter square. Now, how many complete revolution needed for leveling the playground? Yes, 500 complete revolution. Now, area of the playground is equal to 31,680 into 500, which is equal to 1,58,40,000 centimeters square. After that, we need to change that into what? Meter square. So, to change centimeter into meter, we need to divide by 100. But to change centimeter square into meter square, we need to divide by 100 into 100. So at last what we get? 1584 meter square. Okay, is the area of the playground. Now the next question. A cylindrical pillar is 50 centimeter in diameter and 3.5 meter in height. Find the cost of painting the curved surface of the pillar at the rate of rupees 12.50 per meter square. Direct question. Easy one is there. The radius is given 35 centimeter, which is what? 0.25 meter. Now height is what? 3.5 meter. Next, CSA is equal to what? Equation 2 pi RH, which is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into 0.25 into 3.5. Now what is that? 5.5 meter square. Thus, cost of painting the curved surface of the pillar is equal to that area CSA 5.5 into what is given at the rate of rupees 12.50 per meter square. So multiply with the 12.50, at last rupees 68.75 is the total cost. Clear? Now next one. The last question. The curved surface area of a right circular cylinder is 4.4 meter square. If the radius of the base of the cylinder is 0.7 meter, find its height. Listen carefully here. We need to find out the height. So, given condition r is equal to what? 0.7 meter. Now, next one is what given? The curved surface area of the right circular cylinder. What is the equation? 2 pi r into h, which is equal to 4.4 meter square. Now, h is equal to 4.4 into 7 by 2 into pi 2 into 22 into 0.7. Now cancel 4.4 and 22 we can cancel 0.1. Now 7 and 0.7 are cancel what? That's what we get here. What? 0.1 is there, then 2 and 2 are cancelled. At last the height become what? 1 meter. Clear, students? Okay, thank you.